Ethereum value equivalent to $1637 a coin. The present reach: $1,632, $1,655. The earlier day close: $1,647. The change was 0.61%. Reverse rate: United States dollars to ETH. Ethereum value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Ethereum cost expectation for October 2023. At the outset, cost at $1671. Most extreme cost $1,836, least cost $1,455. The normal for the month $1,656. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end $1,660, change for October 0.7%. ETH to United States dollars expectations for November 2023. To start with, cost at $1660. Greatest cost $1,871, least cost $1,537. The normal for the month $1,685. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end $1,673, change for November 0.8%. Ethereum cost expectation for December 2023. In the first place, cost at $1673. Greatest cost $1,818, least cost $1,580. The normal for the month $1,693. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end $1,699, change for December 1.6%. ETH to United States dollars expectations for January 2024. To start with, cost at $1699. Greatest cost $1,699, least cost $1,401. The normal for the month $1,576. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end $1,506, change for January 11.4%. Ethereum cost expectation for February 2024. First and foremost, cost at $1,506. Greatest cost $1,547, least cost $1,345. The normal for the month $1,461. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end $1,446, change for February 4.0%. ETH to United States dollars expectations for WALK 2024. At the outset, cost at $1,446. Most extreme cost $1,596, least cost $1,388. The normal for the month $1,481. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end $1,492, change for spring 3.2%. Ethereum cost expectation for April 2024. Initially cost at $1,492. Most extreme cost $1,600, least cost $1,390. The normal for the month $1,494. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end $1,495, change for April 0.2%. ETH to United States dollars expectations for May 2024. Initially cost at $1,495. Most extreme cost $1,642, least cost $1,428. The normal for the month $1,525. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end $1,535, change for May 2.7%. Ethereum cost expectation for June 2024. To start with, cost at $1,535. Greatest cost $1,869, least cost $1,535. The normal for the month $1,672. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end $1,747, change for June 13.8%. ETH to United States dollars expectations for July 2024. Initially cost at $1,747. Most extreme cost $1,891, least cost $1,640. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end $2,050, change for August 16.0%. ETH to United States dollars expectations for September 2024. First and foremost, cost at $2,050. Greatest cost $2,050, least cost $1,764. The normal for the month $1,940. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end $1,897, change for September 7.5%. Ethereum cost expectation for October 2024. To start with, cost at $1,897. Greatest cost $1,897, least cost $1,481. The normal for the month $1,717. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end $1,593, change for October 16.0%. Ethereum cost expectation for December 2025. Initially cost at $11.05. Most extreme cost $1,105, least cost $897. The normal for the month $1,018. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end $965, change for December 12.7%. ETH to United States dollars expectations for January 2026. At the outset cost at $965. Most extreme cost $1,197, least cost $965. The normal for the month $1,062. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end $1,119, change for January 16.0%. Ethereum cost expectation for February 2026. To start with cost at $11.19. Greatest cost $1,330, least cost $1,119. The normal for the month $1,203. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end $1,243, change for February 11.1%. ETH to United States dollars expectations for WAC 2026. In the first place cost at $12.43. Greatest cost $1,243, least cost $972. The normal for the month $1,126. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end $1,045, change for spring 15.9%. Ethereum cost expectation for April 2026. To start with cost at $10.45. Greatest cost $1,090, least cost $948. The normal for the month $1,026. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end $1,019, change for April 2.5%. ETH to United States dollars expectations for May 2026. Before all else cost at $10.19. Most extreme cost $1,265, least cost $1,019. The normal for the month $1,121. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end $1,182, change for May 16.0%. Ethereum cost expectation for June 2026. In the first place cost at $11.82. Greatest cost $1,467, least cost $1,182. The normal for the month $1,301. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end $1,371, change for June 16.0%. ETH to United